First of all, we'll try to learn arithmetic operators. So what are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent. So let's dig into interpreter and try to perform some examples. Let's open the interpreter. Right. Python. All right. So we are into interpreter now. So instead of this Python interpreter, let's enter into interactive Python interpreter. So interactive Python interpreter and interpreter are same, but interactive interpreter is nothing but a normal Python interpreter with steroids on it. I mean, it has various new functionalities and attributes, etc. stuff to use for our convenience. So let's enter into interactive Python interpreter. Basically, for normal interpreter, we'll type just Python. But in case of interactive interpreter, we'll need to use I before Python what. So this is not nothing but interactive session. All right. So we are into Python interpreter now. Let's know about arithmetic operators. Try to declare two values with some by assigning some other values to it. I mean, try to declare two variables by assigning some values to it. A is equal to 9, B equal to 8. Let's perform addition on it. Speed. So that's it in Python to perform addition. And in 2.7 we are using just the word print in order to print the value of a variables. But in case of Python 2. Python 3, we need to use this print statement as a function. I mean, print has been converted into function in Python 2.3, like print of a plus b, print of a plus b, c. So you can able to print the value of a variable in two ways, by using print as a statement and print as a function. All right. So let's also know, I mean, let's perform some subtraction. Sorry, minus b. That's it. 9 minus s is equal to 1. And also multiplication. Let's take some other values by creating some different variables. In Python, we can perform multiplication by using an operator star. So this was output. Now let's get to this division. One. So when we divided the dividend a by b, I mean 4 by 3, we'll get the value as 1. And the next one was modulus. So what is mean by modulus? Modulus is nothing but the remainder of the division operation. For example, a is equal to 45, b is equal to 6, and when you type a modulus b, so the output should be 3. So how we got the output as 3? When we divided 45 by 6, the actual the quotient was 6 sevens 42 and the remainder was 3. So that was the actual output. If you don't understand that, I'll show you. 6 45. So in division of general mathematics, if you divided 45 by 6, the value should be 7. 6 sevens 42. And the remainder should be 3. So this was the actual modulus. exponent. So what is meant by exponent? Exponent is nothing but x to the power of y. Okay, let's also try to give an example for this. Let's take a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. I'm sorry for that. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 3. So how you will implement the exponent functionality in Python? Simple. A double star b. Why we declare b is equal to 4? B must be 3. Okay, whatever. 4 to the power of 4 is nothing but 256. So this is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So this was the actual processing behind the exponent functionality.